What's up, everyone? This is Elijah with Financial Anatomy, coming at you with another video to help you take control of your financial destiny. In this video, we're going to actually be talking about the Webull app and how to buy Dogecoin and overall cryptocurrency in general. So first thing we're going to do is open the Webull app up, and it's going to take you to your watch list. But what we want to do is we actually want to click on markets. And when you're in markets, you see the area where it says cryptos. You want to go ahead and click on cryptos. And once we're on cryptos, you'll see a list of all the cryptos that are currently available on Webull. Now, under normal circumstances, if you don't see the crypto that you're interested in, then you would just slide these until you find it. You could also scroll down. We're looking for Dogecoin, and it's right in front of us, so there's no need for that, but that's just so you know how to do it. So we're going to go ahead and click on Dogecoin. And as you can see, you see all the information that you need to make a decision on if you want to invest in it or not. We're not going to get into that in this video because we're specifically talking about how to actually buy Dogecoin and cryptocurrency in general. So we want to click on the trading button. And if you have not actually traded cryptocurrency before, your account isn't approved to do so. So you actually need to apply in order to trade cryptocurrency on Webull. So I'm going to click on apply now. Then it's going to ask you for your trading password, so just make sure you have that on standby. Then it's taking us to the place where we need to review the privacy policy, user agreement, and also crypto risk disclosures. Now that's something that I've already reviewed before the video, so I'm just going to go ahead and click on the click to sign e-signature. Then all you got to do is sign, click save, scroll down, and then agree to the terms. And it says your crypto trading application has been submitted. Normally it will be approved in 1 business day. I'm going to click on OK. And even though they say it could take up to 1 business day, it could actually take a few hours, or maybe even opening the app, closing it, and restarting it is enough for your application to actually be approved. So just check back in a few hours, see if you got it, but at the most, it'll probably take 1 business day. Okay, so basically all I had to do was just close the app and reopen it. It's just reaffirming that I understand everything. I'm going to go ahead and click continue. Okay, now that my account has been approved to trade cryptocurrency, I'm going to click on trade when it comes to Dogecoin. And once we're on this screen, you basically have 2 options when it comes to order type. You have the limit order and you have the market order. We're not going to go over a limit order because that's not what this video is about. I'm going to select market because we want to buy it right now. So I'm going to buy $50 worth of Dogecoin. So where it says amount in, I'm going to click on the box, and it has a few options in terms of buying. You could buy in fractions, so when you see 1/4, 1/2, etc., that's 1/4 of your available crypto buying power, 1/2 of your buying power, etc. Or you can just press this arrow and you can buy it in terms of a frequently used share quantity. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to go ahead and use a fraction, which is half. And as we can see at the bottom, that's pretty close to $50 worth. There's always going to be a conversion of how much cryptocurrency you're buying in US dollars on the left side. And on the right side, it's going to show what's your current available crypto buying power. So I'm going to click on buy. It's asking me for confirmation. Do I want to do this? I'm going to say yes, I do. Click confirm. And I've got a notice. And that's pretty much saying that the order has been filled. Since this is cryptocurrency, the moment you put the order in, it's going to execute immediately. So just keep in mind that cryptocurrency isn't like stocks where it's going to take a duration of time to fill the order. So during that time, you can actually cancel and there won't be a problem. Cryptocurrency is going to kick in immediately. So it's not going to really have an option to cancel it since it's digital. So just make sure that if you really want to buy something, that decision is final, because there's not going to really be any going back unless you decide to sell that cryptocurrency. In this case, it would be Dogecoin. That does it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new and hit that bell notification if you want to be notified when another Webull video comes out. And give this video a thumbs up if you found value in it. I'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to get out there and take control of your financial destiny.